Okay, let's get back to this file. Excel 2016 legacy file. If you haven't downloaded, you can go back up here to download. Let's open it. Now let's change worksheet 1 to purchase invoice. First, we go to the list of table here and change its name. Click it. And we are now in list of worksheets. So change all the descriptions. Let's change them one by one. Turn table 0 to master and 1 for expense. Get these done first. Get back here. Change 0 to master and 1 for expense. Remember, it's case sensitive. Expense. After that, change the description. English first master. Vendor invoice. The English description is up to you. Since I use Japanese, so I change to Jap here. Japanese. I have Chinese, so I add here. Chinese, oops. I'll just leave the Chinese for now. Copy it, whatever. And you see the vendor invoice. Okay, if you click vendor invoice, you won't see reference. I have to change worksheet 2 to expense. So I get down here, worksheet 2, change it to expense. Now we are in vendor invoice. Get back to list of worksheets first. Alright, tables number 4. This one, change it to table. For the name, change to table summary. Here you see we get NA because we need to look for table. Here we need to change this to table. Okay, let's change it. So you'll get table summary when clicking it. It has job description. Let me see. Let's type it out first. The Chinese description is already there. Try it out. Okay. Okay. And you should see English and Chinese. Now I want to add Japanese. So I come here. Alt DL to open up validation. Here we add. Just leave it. Now we move on to the vendor invoice. Now we have ref, invoice date, and invoice number. Here the reference, invoice date, here, invoice num, vendor name, description. I suggest that you delete all these. Reference, change the color. Just put whatever color. I just make it up. Reference, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, alright. Okay, reference. Select reference and Ctrl 1. Make it no color. Next is invoice amount. Description. All the date is shift. Move it back. Invoice amount for this one. Tax amount. And then net amount. Put a black line here. Ctrl 1 to give it a border. Here, why I zoom in? Because it's quite important. First, settle, which is the first payment. Here you see amount settled, if any, only if you make payment. And then withdrawal bank, which is the one you take out money from. Done. Here I just get a loop finished.